Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by a complementary angle? Yes, complementary angle is nothing but sum of two angles. You consider if any sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then it is said to be a complementary angle. Sum of two angles should be equal to 90 degrees, then they are said to be complementary angles. Okay, now here let us consider a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle here. A, B, C. So in triangle ABC, we are considering here angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. So here now what will be the sum of these two angles? As we all know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Remaining sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle A and angle C are said to be complementary angles. Now, let us assume here angle A is equal to theta. Now I am considering here angle A is equal to theta. Let angle A is equal to theta. Now using this condition, now let us do trigonometric ratios. So opposite to angle theta is, we are going to call it is opposite side, that is equal to perpendicular, and this is the adjacent side and we are going to call base, and this is hypotenuse will be same, it will not be changed because it is the longest side in a right angle triangle. Now let us find the six trigonometric ratios basing on theta here. Now let us see what are those. Now I am considering here sine theta. Sine theta. Before going to that one, let us see here Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. So in previous videos we have seen that this condition from top to bottom is sine, cos, tan. From bottom to top is cosec, sec and cot. Okay, sine theta means P by H. Okay, so here P by H. So what is P? BC by H means AC. BC by AC. Then cos theta. What is cos theta? B by H. B by H is equal to, B means AB, H means AC. AB by AC. Okay, did you catch my point, students? Okay, just basing on this concept we are writing the sides of the right angle triangle. Now coming to tan. Tan theta is equal to what? P by B. So what is P here? P is nothing but BC by B means what? AB. Okay, we got sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now let us move to cosec. Cosec theta. What is cosec from bottom to top? H by P. H by P. So here it is nothing but reciprocal of sine, that is AC by BC. AC by BC. Now sec theta. Sec theta means what here? H by B. H by B. So H is AC, B means AB. AC by AB. Then cot theta. So what is cot theta here? B by P. So what is B? AB. P means BC. by BC. So like this we are going to get based on angle A. If angle A is equal to theta, so these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let us know what is angle C. Now already we have said that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A already we have assumed that theta. Angle B is 90 and we have to find angle C 180 degrees. So angle C is equal to, you transpose theta and 92 on the right side, 180 minus 90 minus theta. That is angle C is equal to 180 take away 90, 90 minus theta. So angle C is nothing but 90 minus theta. So here based on this angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. So here we have to write down the sides. Now opposite to this one you are going to get, now change here. This is opposite side means P. So this is going to become as adjacent side. Adjacent side means base and hypotenuse will be the common. Now let us see here regarding to C means sine. C means what? 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine means P by H. P by H. So what is P? AB. H means AC. AB by AC. Then cos 90 minus theta. What is cos? B by H. What is B? BC. H means AC. BC by AC. Tan 90 minus theta. So what is tan 90? Tan means what? P by B. P by B. What is P? AB. B means BC. AB by BC. Then cosec 90 minus theta. Okay, as we know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So directly what you can write? H by P is equal to AC by AB. Then sec 90 minus theta, reciprocal of cos, H by B. H by B, that is AC by BC. Then cot 90 minus theta, reciprocal of tan, B by P is equal to BC by AB. Okay. Now let us see here, sine 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. So regarding to theta, where is AB by AC? AB by AC. So see here, AB by AC, AB by AC means cos theta. Cos theta. Similarly, BC by AC. Here we are having BC by AC, that is sin theta. Now AB by AC, AB by AC, where it is? Here, AB by BC, cot theta. Now AC by AB, AC by AB. So what is this? Sec theta. AC by BC, AC by BC, that is cosec theta. Okay children, okay? Did you understand? Very good. Now let us move to cot 90 minus theta. Where is BC by AB? BC by AB. So here we got tan theta. So like this we are going to find the complementary angles regarding to angle A and angle C, because sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. That's why we said it is a complementary angles, and relating with angle A and angle C, we got the for angle A the relation is theta, for angle C it is 90 minus theta. The relationship between these two complementary angles is sine 90 minus theta means cos theta. For sine, what is the complementary angle? Cos. For cos, sine, tan, cot, cosec, sec, cosec, cot and tan. So these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, and if you want to note these proof of complementary angles, just pause the video and write down in your notes, and this is going to be very useful for the further exercise. We are going to do the problems in the next videos. So if you have any doubts, just drop your doubts in the comment section so that I'm going to give the reply. Okay children, I hope you have understood all these complementary angles proofs very absolutely, and you will be very you are going to do very easily the problems for the next video. Okay children, that's for the video.